Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Hey yo, you don't know it's the bridge. 99 FM. Keep it locked. Dirty.
Ragashanti live.
An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the Kingston. I'm going to go with him. I can't see the boy out here to get up here with the same Raga.
Well, the boy up you want to get up here with the same red rock?
Raga.
Yeah.
You got a girl with the next set of Stewart with the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're agoniering because the way you are.
Yo, that word that mad. Agoniering. Agoniering to the flip. Ragashanti and the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti no. Yes, Ragashanti. So you know how you feeling this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus back a thing with the handle side of it.
Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Check. Ragashanti live. Check. Ragashanti live.
Tambourine.
Ragashanti live. Lego. People don't know, say we're living at the age of social media, right? I don't know, say that means say all kind of things are post and all kind of things are going as buckle mash anyway. Where internet they right away it reach on social media, we don't know them something of them. So being the case, there's so many things going around and people's inbox, your phones are bombarded with all kinds of video and text and graphics and all these things and this and that. I am no exception in that regard, and given that I'm involved in media, given that I know so many people and things like that, I get those things non-stop. Naturally, there's some things that when I'm something that happen, there's some things I can't manage. Yo, you know, been there, done that. I don't know where in the world I not see. You understand? Right? When we look a bit and live at West Kingston, we used to love run go to a public hospital when man get shot up and them carry them up the hand cart. And we used to go up there and love count the whole them in the man them body. Yeah, as a child. And them something them we used to do. Go to Madden, on North Street. Madden they right next to Ph.D. Kingston Public Hospital. But sometimes them have to bring the body them over the hospital. Even when the man them dead, you know. Before them can go over the morgue, them have to carry them go over the hospital. And a doctor have to say that at the time 20 shot in at them and all them something there, you know. And the doctor have to pronounce them dead first. Then they carry them go. But we used to go there, me and my friend, we used to count all in at them bodies. So I just tell you that per se. Enough something I see from a little bit and I grew up and thing and a runner from my mother and all them thing down out in the street. And them something there and all a par with gunman when me a youth. and down a south and them place there, you know. So the thing said, we give thanks for the right, you know. But even so, there's some things we can't manage. Sometimes people send me some video, I can't manage some of them. And here I know, some things I get, I not forward them. You know? Because I just not want to be whatever. So people may get one video today, you know. And in a video, it a go around. So someone wanna probably see. In a video, one man a beat one woman, you know, one maga man, you know, a beat one nice, you know, healthy body woman or whatever. And him a beat her, a punch her up in the bed, and a beat her, and a beat her, and a beat her. And me da go delete it, you know. But the way the video setup is like, yeah, you want to see, Cheryl says she see it there. So the way the video set up now, I say, you want to say, boy, let me see where this go. Because sometimes you see them video where the man a beat the woman and then something happen, and then you see the woman a beat back the man or something or whatever. People, you know, say, after we see the man a beat the woman, I punch her up in her face in her bed, in her shop, beg him to stop, and him and bust up, I punch her up, you know, and thing. Right after that, you see him, the same maga man, you know, him asleep, you know. And when him dead, they asleep, a video, we still have a video, you know. You see one gun come up, you know, see who, you know, because I saw them do them video there, you know, because I know video out there with people that kill people, you know, people, I tell you, you know. Social media just not lawyer for post them. But enough video people have enough murder people film with them phone when they kill the person. Enough of that are going on. So I just see the hand come up with the gun. And them just start fooling him up a shot, you know, and him to him asleep. So when the first shot them, you know, reach him, you see him kind of shake up and thing, but I hit that film. I thought he had shot him get. 30 shot him get. And right away, I go so boom and run back the video now. I look on the hand where I hold the gun and I say, no one a fear on that, another woman on that. So it out there, Christina, it out there, man. The video. You see the video? I'll send it to you. And again, people, them video, them, you know, them video, enough, you know, enough of them video they make, you know, so I want to hear me talk about them, right? Because, you know, I don't need to talk about them, but I'm not going to know why I talk about that one, yeah. Well, let me send the video to Prezi. All right, send. All right, Prezi, I send it to you, yeah? And I thought he had shot him get people. Now, when our brethren now, him say one blogger say him was a bonner man. Let me read what my brethren said the blogger said because I have it right here on my phone, you know. Right? So it said, shot a boyfriend empty full gun clip in a jaw grind face. Right? So apparently him was a bonner man. Me not know the fullness of it, you know. I'm just telling you what I go on, you know. Right? So apparently him was a bonner man. Me no know what happened to the woman. Me no know if I saw it really go. If the woman go tell her boyfriend or whatever, this or that or whatever, me no know what. But me know the maga man dead for true. I him see him one dead. 30 had shot him get. Me count them. 30 had. Them just have full him up a shot. So if you don't can't manage them something, don't know about that watch it. All right. Okay. Dave Frisky, big up yourself. So why me I bring up this now? Give it that me see them things all the while and thing and whatever. All right. The first thing is this. And people wanna feel free to disagree with anything me say, you know. So if you don't agree, it's all right. But the first thing is this. First of all, man not for beat woman. That is just me. If a woman a put her hand on you and a beat you, you have a right for clot her back, right? You know, another foolish thing. Oh, man, if you ever put them hand on woman and then woman a whap up your nastiness and thing and you have to sit down and take it. So no, right? So I'm not join the foolishness. Say what someone have where woman supposed to can put them hand on man, fling plate in a man face, beat up man and all them something there. And then the man have no right figure whatever. If you don't want to be hit, don't hit. Now, sometimes as a man, you can go on with some things, you know, and if you get catcher, you in a dog house and a woman get vexed and put on a couple little thump on you, you have to just kind of clutch and take your thump. Whereas if you're a woman or your wife or whatever, you know, you have to hold some of that and just walk her out, you know, and you say, be settle yourself, man, settle yourself, man. We have to do that for, you know, them look weird. All right. But man, not for beat woman, you know, so you have some man just love beat woman because, you know, whatever. My philosophy with that is, it's funny that the man them will love beat woman and whatever, and them quick for talk about how them love woman. Me not say the logic in that. You can't say you love woman and you beat, and the way you see some man beat woman, bust them up, beat regularly, bust them up. And the man them sick. You can't say you love woman or you love a woman and you beat her, kill her, you beat her, bat her every day and whatever. I madness them something. And I love you love the woman. You don't know what kind of psychological disorder it is that you are, but that you are characterize it as love. No. When people love something, them take care right, them nourish it. You know, them nurture it. Them protect it. You understand? So anyway, so where may I get at with this? So we just want to establish it, you know. Man no fair beat woman. That being said, people, what kind of logic you have now where you are the bonner man and feel say you have a right to put your hand on the woman? Mark, you know, people, man no for beat woman. But what may I say? But a man no fever to argue with the woman too loud. Me right, Prezi. If you're a bonner man and all them something that, me no say how you must be a bonner man and you are beat up the woman and you are the bonner man and all them something. Right? Me not understand that part. And the next thing I know, people, when me did that while out there, you know, I'm a good behaving boy, you know. I don't want to hear nothing from none of you, know. I don't come say nothing about me, okay. You know, see the halo over my head. You see the halo, Prezi, you see the halo over my head, don't? Prezi, you're the boss, you know. Hey, that's why I can't get trouble and whatever and this and that, you know. Prezi, you're the general. I say, Prezi, you know, see the halo over and Prezi say, yeah. What's the team over there eating food? They make sure you get the food before him start the show. Yo, Prezi say, yeah, man, we see the yellow man or whatever. But anyway, when me did about out there, you know, people, man. You see, woman who me find out if woman are rule with any bad boy or if them there with police, you know, especially me there Jamaica or whatever, you know. I'm young one hear one of them something there, you know. And me know nothing with you, you know. Me that one. Me used to roll with and crew, which part one I place when I live long down the south. And somebody out of the crew, him sister, come in and crew and whatever. When I see her, I say, you know, I pray her neatly, you know, I say, what? Because my sister, the steer right, dash up on her, you know, yeah, man, the steer right, dash up on her, girl turn good. And sitting, so you don't know. Start screeching and I give her two talking her ears one away and ray. And I see like, you know, my sister, she give me about look knowings and all them things that I start work on it and tell me and I get in quietly and think I saw me rolling. I mean, I ain't nobody doing my business. You know? Me and one of them man that will load up this. You know? He's a gym screecher, man, you see me? And my sister look like, I say, yeah, man, she can't hold her mouth and whatever. Because nobody in my business, you know. Yeah. And my sister like, you know, she know for move, man, you know, she know for screeching with the thing and whatever area and I make two talk on her. So, me and her get in now. And we are do so, you know. Things are going and all these things and ray, you know. And Goody have them skills too. Yeah, she know that dash out something there. She know if you curl it up and boom it off and all these things and whatever and thing proper. But, so, me, you know, me into her. You know, when you're young, long time, some of me are telling you, you know. So them type there, you know, it's all about dress up and thing. But me they are foreign, you know, I go school or Vasa. So me also like just fly down now. For all, them time me I just fly down for all I dance with she or fly down with this and that and ray, and then we just touch the road and all them thing there, you know. Boy, you have nothing about you. Raga, you have nothing about you. Yeah. So we just go down and thing and whatever, fly down and whatever. After a while, them in the crew, them know what go on and them know the link and sitting, you know. So it did come out after a while. But no loud up things same way, you know, cause, you know my style. But anyway. So that a go on. So when I time, me see she move X, you know. I say, what go on? So me ask some people like, me I say, Carl, what go on? And I must say, well, I don't know, but I know that's something there, you know, when people don't want to get involved in a certain things. And like, I say, well, I don't know, like, them not take my side or something, or what's coming. I pick up that little vibe there, you know. Like, I say, yo, what's you know, to call on you. I said, boy, I don't know. I'm going to pick up what I go on, and I say, So one night, now, I go to Ray and go check her and whatever thing, I watch it play, you know. And she tell me about she have stomach ache and all them something. Now, I don't know the road code go with that in the people. When woman tell us them have stomach ache, that's a code for say, Ray, don't you can't go on, you know. Because Miss Lady from Red Hills a visit and all these things and Ray. But me pay attention, because one thing with me, you know, after a while, me run it for a while, you know. I was trained to do this, right? But not only was I trained to do it, I developed that skill myself, man. Subtleties, man. And again, a woman me learned that from. You just pay attention to the small little minutia in a people behavior and them conduct and whatever, and you can make differentiation in terms of when them a tell the truth and when them a tell a lie. Everybody, every human being, them have some things where them do when them a lie, and them have things when them do when them a tell the truth. Some of it is codified, right? Sometimes when people talk to you and them a work out something, if you see like them a look upright, most of the time them a work out something for answer you, like something legitimate. If sometimes you see them a look up left, but them not realize them a do it, you know, but them kind of them eye, like them a talk to you and them eye a focus up left. Almost all, well, very, there's a likelihood that them a create a lie. You have exception to that. You have some people can look right in your face and tell you like a flat out lie and whatever. So you have some of these things, they're coded. But outside of them being coded, don't even worry about that. Everybody have a unique set of traits what them do when them a tell lie and when them a tell truth. It's just you for pay attention to them when you're there around them. So you can know what those are. And for most people, some people will share the same thing, you know, but the set of things them usually is just like a unique package. Every human being unique, you know, so when me a pray at night, you know, me I say, she tell lie, man. So me know why lie. So I say, all right, you know, after a while, I say, I shoot up, you know, I say, good, I go on my belly, you know, because, you know, my belly hurt me, I'm sick and thing, I want never, and So I go to a boom and thing, and she don't assault, you know. I made it live up somewhere else. So I go to Zoom and my Lego. I go up a South Camp Road, up a Duppy Gate, and make a U-turn. And thing, Duppy Gate is a place. You know, who come from Kingston, we know Duppy Gate, right? Original Metro Media. engine thing next to the bottom of Armand Barracks, this and thing. But anyway, which school school out there's a Clanclarty, one of them school out there's a traffic court and them place. So I'm going to boom and make a U-turn. And then I shoot back down there, but which part she live on Cloverley Road. But when you live on Cloverley Road, now your front gate there on Cloverley Road, but your back gate there on Widows Lane, So I'm go so boom now and come down Blake Road side of KC, come round thing and turn off my light and sit and whatever and creep with the car come round. I come round down Widows Lane now if we go through the back gate now if we go see if she dead there. You know say when me come round the corner or whatever, I see me see that I go out. Right? I mean look upon her, but she not see me, I mean, in car, and she not see the car, cause the car that did white, come here, I said, John, she could have see the car, cause I remember Toyota Mark II, white one, and then call it Big Batty, remember that one there? So, I said, I hope she not see the car, And then now, I see how she dress. And she sex dress. Now, I soon explain that too. But, sidebar, now, women have sexy dress and them have sex dress. Sex dress different from sexy dress. Well, there are different dress, You have funeral dress, you have wedding dress, you have club dress, you have church dress, you have barbecue dress, you have dance dress, and you have sexy dress and sex dress. Sexy dress is when a woman just dress sexy. But in a mean say, she wants sex. But you have one next dress what woman do is sex dress. Once woman dress that way, they come check you. She come with the idea, say she gonna run it upon you. Right? Women more than men, they are more mood dressers than men, right? Women are mood dressers than men. And women dress towards an objective, right? We would just put on clothes to look good and whatever. Women dress and do them hair and things based on them mood, how them feel. Now, some of them may say, boy, but Raga, make sense what you say, Why, what I mean, in terms of sexy and sex, a lot of men have problem understanding this. But women can feel very, very sexy. Very, very sexy. And if you as a man who don't understand what going on, you look on that woman in her sexiness and feel just sexy and act sexy and whatever. And there is nothing to do with sex upon her mind. Nothing to do with sex upon our mind. Sometimes men have difficulty understanding that because most men think that sexy means sex, right? And you see that very often when women are like dancing and them want to dance sexy with a man, and them want just sexy up and wine up on him and go on with some sitting and thing and whatever. And then the damn man, them would even just flow with it. Them if you want to squeeze up our bottom and put them on with them now. And just turn off the woman, them and thing and whatever. And But again, for you men who are listening right now, and you say, just work with me. Right? Just listen to Mass Raga. We are general in our game. And we humble ourselves and we learn from woman. Right? So I teach some of the man. Come in after ask. I will if a woman listen to me right now. Well, yes, Raga, true. Teach them, true, right? Again, women can be sexy, and I do everything, like way that things are sex. And them don't want to have sex. It's not about sex. It's just about being sexy. It's about just a wallowing in them sexiness and I enjoy that sexiness there. And if them have a man who understand it and thing, I can flow with them there. So yeah, and thing, yeah, that thing there. Anyway. So, but when me see her, she sex dress, right? And again, a sex dress now, when a woman All right, me soon tell me about the sex dress pack. I have another part of it. But anyway, she go down the road and me I say, oh, she sex dress. So I grind, she go grind. Me read the play. But from them time, the man not frightened and thing, you know, we are not idiot and thing, you know, whatever. We are big man, we are not boy, you know. So we not in no foolish this and whatever and ray. So, you know, me don't even take it to heart or nothing. Me just a boom. And she walk, I go down Widows Lane, you know, Widows Lane, go down on East Queen Street. So me just make the car a roll back car, you know, low throttle and thing, and she don't know about she walk, I go on and boom, she bust the left on East Queen Street and thing and whatever. Boom, I go down on the, you know, on the road. And then, you know, East Queen Street going a Windward Road. After you cross South Camp Road. So, me even there far from her, because I'm on the other side of the road now. I'm on the left side and thing. But me keep a distance from her and I watch her and thing. And I mean, I know my luck. Who she a go to, they depend on me. And when I go down you know, and thing, I see the dog and thing. And, you know, I'm watching movements round she and him. Now, you know it going on. You can look on a couple, you know, and know if them a deal long time or them just come. You know, when couple just a get together and them link up them over each other and them a kiss and all kind of thing and them a move fast and this have happen now. I'm read the play and say, and that a go on. Whoever him is, him in a picture a long time. And she just sit down beside him and thing and whatever. Boom, and I read the play. And then I say she and him go so bam and go in there. I say, all right, boom. I just hold her you way. And then I go so bap and go back from the corner where me come from to because, you know, me come from Blake Road, then you have Widows Lane, then you have Clover Valley Road, whatever Clover Valley Road me there. And I'm go to one of my dog and say, yo, you know, so I say, Ray. You couldn't even make me know it. And he man say, yo, General, well, I won't know still, you know, but we'll keep it real, you know. You know, she there with that youth a long time before you. I true you come in and you have the foreigner and all them something. She just go and juggle with you because you have that vibe there. And she say you make her laugh and thing. And I keep it real. She was one of them women there who to like, you know, money I spend on her. I never had a problem with me. So, you know, she did, you know, you're young, you know, and she not have something if you dress and look good and whatever this time, you know. So, you know, spend on her and them something there. So, I saw now deal I make me know say, nah man, be going serious, you know. I really am man that, you know. I say for real. And the man say, yeah, you know, I roll with you like you are a man, but I really am a man that. So I say, but, you know, say, a general move certain way. I say, what you mean? I say, move like, you know, like it may be certain way, you know. The man say, yeah, you know. I say, for real? How heavy? I say, big heavy, you know. Big heavy, you know. Dunkirk link and all these things and whatever. I say, what? I said, but for people who don't know, Southside, it was just this weird thing. It was a JLP area, but we're just surrounded by the craziest PNP area, right? So Southside did have Tel Aviv on our left, right? We did have spoilers to the north, right? And we did have Kirkies to the east and all them things there. And then Raytown come run pan the little flank there run. Be a PNP area them there. So in them war days there and all that type of thing or whatever. So I say, yo, dog, then, you know, a Kirkies she there with her. And I said, nah, man, everything peace up now and balance up. So I don't know now, whatever. And thing, whatever. People, you see, from me hear that, I still talk to her, you know. I did still, when she want money, I say, yeah, man, go on or whatever. It reached a point one time, she said, hold on. Which part me we live, you know, it was like up and right. So she said, it's like she pick up a rake and I say, hold on. A long time you don't carry me up on the hill, you know. I say, oh, for real? I say, I don't know, man, don't worry yourself, man, everything good. Several days, I said, well, on, you know, I can't go up on the hill. And when you find woman now, you find woman and a draw a card for me. You know, say, although me not make she wiser. All know me not make her wiser. I'm giving the whole story there. Say, from me a youth. And not by accident, man, alive and they are right, you know, right? Me always I tell people, don't run in. And if you get a chance to dodge a bullet and don't put yourself back in a position where you have to go dodge back a bullet. Because you see, from me, see that link the way she have, me nah, but go back this way, you know. Go back where? Me not need to go back this way. And them time that we think set away to where you don't know. Boom, 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 boom. Move so and gone back so and whatever and thing and, you know, a whole heap of woman out the road, so we're not dead over no woman. You understand? You see? And then from the dark, from deal, make me know what I go on and thing. What me do even malice her and nothing and thing. Me don't even explain nothing to her and thing. Somehow no man enough to have them type of levels there, yo. Enough to have them type of levels there, man. What about to not beat woman for? See a thing reach and whatever. Don't everybody get too caught up about disrespect and whatever. I'm going to say something to you, you know, where I sound ironic, you know. But don't everybody get too caught up about disrespect and all them something there. What that for? Somehow not disagree with them. I'm telling you, say, yo, real man can't get a bun and not go kill no woman and whatever. If you're a real man, if you're secure in yourself, if you think balance, if your head space level up and proper, all when a woman, if a woman betray you and whatever, this and that and go dash out and so on and whatever, you're real general if you can't just say boom. You know, say, all right, me get knocked right this one or not, no. And me hurt about it and, you know, and whatever, but me not gonna kill nobody. We not gonna kill her for. If you can, if a proper bun can reach you, and you wanna make you, boy, you gonna kill woman and all them something there and whatever. Yeah, boss. And if a bun reach you, make you ball. Cause ball bun a hot bun, you know. Press you ever get bun and ball yet? Talk it through. You ever get bun and ball? See the press, you're a real man. Me get bun and ball already. Me young still, you know. We just come up in a game, you know. Yeah, me get a ball bun, me get a proper ball bun. Me telling about it all the while, though, you know. That same bun that when me walk up and down in a Kingston in a rain and thing and whatever. My brother they come and say, dog, we look for you, you know. You walk up and down in the rain barefoot. Yeah, man. Proper bun reach me, man. Me no go kill nobody and no go this and that woman and all them something there. For what? Him a bona man know about him a beat up a woman and whatever. And in this day and age, somehow no man a idiot, you know. Right? Who no do him not read the play? Who not so arrogant in on himself and no do him not read the play. Me no know somehow no man about to not beat woman and then no go sleep round them and wanna make them cook food and all them something there whatever this and that. Don't tell me no, you cannot abuse somebody and then you asleep round that person there. That's the arrogance on another level. When we did in a school, you know, and we are here in a college, and we are here about the slave master and our ancestors, them and whatever. And I drop back and when I tell me I watch one thing and them I show the picture them and I say, but why the amount of piss and doodle from the slave them with them slave master I must say name we mix up in them food to rot it and whatever. Because, like seriously. Alright, we are going to hold a break and when we come back, we finish the distinction between sexiness, no, but sexy dressing and sex dressing are two different dressing that a woman do. So when I come back, I'm going to give you a little story with that. And which I think is funny. Well, hopefully you think it's funny too. And then before we go to the phone line, soon forward.
It's the Bridge 99 FM.
How you deal with?
Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. All right, back in our juggling. So when we are saying now with the sexy dressing and sex dressing, you see the same person though. It's just interesting. So me and I didn't even end up in involved with it because you know say when I tell you something that screechy and a gear attack and whatever, you know, because I'm my style that I'm sneaking, you know, I don't have to prove nothing to no crowd. So, you know, a screechy and a gear attack, the one away when nobody even knows somebody did a move to her and thing. But so I reach a point now where when I said to her, I say, yo, you know, so you have to come jump up a bench at some point, you know. That time you and I get in, you know, but nothing ever happened yet, you know. So you don't know you send out your signal them like, yo, yeah man, you need to carry up on my base and whatever, you know. And she give me that little thought, they like, anytime you're ready, Mr. Sorry, you know them little thing there, whatever. So, you know, I say, boy, something can go on, you know. Means something I go on, you know, but you get the little signal and say, yeah man, anytime you're ready, man, and thing out there. So one time now, I said to her, I'm up on the road and I tell her, I say, yo, I come for you if you carry up on me. And she said, all right. What time you come? I tell her the time and thing and whatever and boom. So when I drop her now and she walk out, she did sex dress. No, and I write this and I say, yeah man, to a run. And what is sex dress? Sex dress is when woman, first and foremost, is when woman dress and say them are going to have sex. Them are going to run upon the man and them are going to have sex. This is the early part of the thing, you know, when you do, you know. After your day, it's like nothing. After you and your man day and whatever, it's like, no, stop me when it happen and it's spontaneous and yeah, drop a roadside and do it. Or anytime it happen, it happen. But early out, man, when woman send signal and whatever. No, you have sexy dress, you know. A woman cannot come check you, and she dress sexy, and it's not about sex. It's to get some money from you and leave. Right? Right? And she just dress sexy because she know, you know, encouragement, sweetness, labor, and all these things. It's a psychological thing I go on. So a woman will dress sexy and come check you, and it's not about money. It's to get something from you. You don't have to necessarily be money. It can be, you know, you have one job where you get, you know, you're going to get VR. It can be you have a passport link, a visa link. It can be something. But she knows that she'll come to get something from you. But she knows that she's not sleeping with you. So when she comes, she just very, very sexy. But that's just like candy for your eye. And warm up your brain. You know. And make it, you know, lower your defenses and things and all these things, right? So a woman will dress sexy. And it have nothing to do with sex from you. But you see when woman sex dress, anybody leave a ghetto. People who leave a ghetto. You never see them woman they beard and fresh up and thing. And I walk out like them I walk on the road, I go catch them look a road taxi or them bus or something and thing. And them beard and dress up in a clean clothes. But the clean clothes they rise to the level where them I go to a special event. And at the same time, I'm not judging clothes. But the clean clothes like, you know, sexy, but it's not over sexy. Just, you know, a little range. And you know, and you can't just know, say, oh, check, she go get for a little walk and come back. When woman sex dress, when me they go pick her up, she now want shot skirt. Remember, you know, woman more than man, you know, them cognizant about where them clothes are said about them. Right? Women think about that more than men do. What do I want to, what message, energy me want to send out there now? Or sometimes when women are think about it, them I think about, oh, me want the world to relate to me. So sometimes when women are go to the road, them don't want no attention, some stress upon their mind, or them just want chill or whatever, and them we dress in a way where them know it not going to get attention. And next time, woman we dress in a way and I say, I go down the place right now and turn all them man there in a idiot and make all woman look for me and tell me, say, I look good and all them something there, whatever, and ray. And woman we dress and them we, woman know exactly how to do them here. And a big compliments them get. And them know them do them here one another way and nobody no see them. Right? But woman knows that Woman have some clothes, them I say, yo, once me wear this a clothes here and go out, man no stop buy me drinks or man no stop this and that. Woman have that something they lack, right? We men, we not get too caught up in them something that as much. Nowadays, you have some man out there who them call metrosexual and all kind of thing, who do them thing there and whatever. You know, them look a gigolo man there and them something. But women know them something here. So when she come out in a short skirt, right, you know, but it's not a skirt where, so it's a nice, clean, short up skirt, you know. But it's not a skirt where she would have wear go on event. But it's not a judging skirt either. So it's not a mid-range. And then she beard. And then she have one of them spaghetti strap blouse that were kind of hang off and thing and whatever. And she have on a brassiere. You know, when you're young and them coat they reach a pressure, right away you know, you know. And you come with me, go up with me, I go, right? And you know, say this, you go, so, you know, some woman like, yo, I do nothing, I want to send the wrong message, but make sure some dress up in a one woolly pa sweat this and that and and then now, Prezi, you know, them do them ear. Them clean up them ear neat, you know, but the ear do in our neat way where it is allowed for pull up. Right? And you see more while, a woman now come check you with all, you know, if you're a woman just a deal and she come out check you with all a brand new hairstyle where you know turn up and all them something there where involves sweater. No, setter, when I say sweater, where involves setter. If you're a woman just attack and she come with a brand new hairstyle where involves setter and whatever, you probably not get nothing in the because she don't want 200 ear to pull up, you see me? So Jamaica woman have a thing where they say then catch up them ear neat. And that's something then, right? So she sex dress and then now, me know this can you know, but back then it was the easy. She have the powder upon her chin. Yo, them still do that something there in Jamaica. Beard and put powder upon them chest, you know? A Sunday evening time, you used to see them something enough in a Prezi. Yeah, man. It's a thing in a ghetto of Jamaica, man. When poor people, you beard and powder, the woman them put enough powder upon them chest and you literally see the whole heap of powder upon them chest. It looks corny now. But back in the day, that was the thing. So when she come out that weird thing and I think, well lotion done, the yellow buckle, Vaseline intensive care lotion, where she have and thing and whatever. Yeah, I know say, yeah, boom, badang, bang, bing, you know? Things are going to go on. And then our woman act when she run you to you know. So when she go in the car now and thing and whatever, and she go cock up her foot in the middle part of the car, and you know me as a Prezi, and her foot cock up and you say, be your legs and them. Because them time that you're young, you know, when you say legs are worries, you know, means a legs man for a long time and thing. And whatever, and she have that little relaxation upon her, and she go drop back all the seat and all them something. Yeah, me I say, yes, man. Yes, man. So we go so Ray, and we go up on my engine now and thing and whatever and thing. That time I leave a drum blare, you know. And drop in my crib now and thing and whatever and tell her well a seat and you don't know when you're not a rush on them something there. Easy and thing and she easy and relax and I tease ask her if she wants something for drink and she say yeah and you know but you know me's a wine man and thing. I say you want that glass of wine or whatever and just she just wants some juice. But she calm, you know. You know, it was just inevitable. Both of us know what going to happen and thing. So after a while, I'm go so boom and I move to her now. When I move to her now, remember now, we are now, you know, we look at kissing before and all these things before and whatever. So, and I like say we never kiss, you know. So I move to her if I go kiss her at a time. Not regular things, but you know, with the two of us, we are grown people. We know what we come up here for, right? So I go get down to business, you know, and when I roll up to her and I move to her, remember somebody who make kiss already, you know, enough time. So I move to her. I say, she just run away. And she run, because we in the living room with her, she run away, you have one day bed. So she run go over the day bed and me and she dip on, So when she run her now, me kind of frightened a little bit. I say, awa. Yo, I say, awa. Awa. And she said, no. And she cry. But we couldn't make sense of it. It was almost like one play cry. But I have never seen anything like this before. I have never been in a position where me and a woman are going to do something and something like that happen. So, me clueless, me don't know how I go on. So, me hear me. Me say, awa. I said, nothing. Remember, you know, the woman calm. When she come in our car, we drive all the way from down south, go South Camp Road, come round, go up and we are chat good, calm, come all the way up. And thing, and she come in my place and thing, calm. And then all of a sudden, somebody who me kiss her red, and you run down way over the car. Some, you know, poor me never know how I go on. So I say, you okay? No, them time they know, you know. You don't know you're in the foreign thing and you're trained with certain thing and whatever. So it's like your sensibilities kind of expand. So, you know, if you see something will look like, you know, there could be some little issues here. Being who I am at that point, who I had become, if something is wrong, I'm not going to think about sex. I'm going to think about, you know, to be there for her. So I ask her, like, what's wrong? Like, what? And she did like, nothing. Poor me, and I know, say it's a certain role play thing. She go in, you know, me clueless to the whole thing, you know. So I say, you good? And she said, yeah, man. Yeah, me good. But she still a put on the voice then. So I said, but you don't sound, what you sound? And she said, I'm good. Then I know, so she sit down on the day bed now and drop in her car now and thing. So I go over to her now and thing and whatever. And she said, I'm hold her and thing and she start turn up on her go on and thing. So I said, babe, something wrong? She said, nothing. Do you do no? I be a mixed message me I get I'm a ton idiot. So people, you have to understand now, you know. Me up in America now and under some training and they must say, yo, you have to be careful of this and you know, you have to look out for certain things. Don't make no woman come accuse you of sexual abuse and all them something there and whatever, you know. So I'm never in that position there before. And I couldn't understand why I go on and whatever. So I just easy and thing and I kind of drop back and I say, yeah, man. I go easy. And I say she give me a little look like, you know, it's like, where I go? Type of thing. But again, me the kind of clueless with where I go on and you know, I go up, we have a little table near to the window, near the door. So I go up this. I say, come on, baby. I say, sit down. No, we're not doing nothing. And she look at me confused, you know. And we just chill. And whatever. Like she get past that and thing and whatever. And, you know, there for a while, go in the car, you know, we are talking, you know. But you can't say she look at me like, it almost like a slight disappointment or some confusion there with her too or whatever. Now, eventually, what happened between we happen, you know? But after what happened, one time after we are reasoning and thing and she said, no, you different. I mean, I said, different with what? I said, you bring me come up at your place when the first time I go up at your face and whatever and this and that and after I come up there for do for so and ready and thing and you not do nothing. So I said, B, what you mean we not do nothing? B, and I said, I move to you and you go on with one bag of foolishness like you ball and all them something and I don't know I want this and that. I don't even know I want me ask you why you don't tell me I want and I be a ball and people. I swear upon my mother name. Say, what come out of this woman amount at that time when we attack, I see him, I saw it go. The lady said to me, yeah, they should have just box me down and take it. Press, you hear me tell us what the woman say? She said, yeah, then when you see me go and sing, you know, should I just like me no want it, you should have just box me down and take it. And all right, that's how I sit there down and I say, B, let me tell you something I know. It sounds to me that, you know, what you used to, or what you think supposed to happen between a man and a woman, whatever, it sounds like you used to, you know. I remember she young, you know, we did young, you know. But me did have a little bit more exposure than her. So I say, it sounds to me like you used to, you think, say, if you're going to get intimate with a man, like, something like that, I for go on, you know? I say, no, you not for go on. I mean, I tell you right now, me no stay so. I want you know, so you not have to stay so. And I'm not going to tell you what you have to do or what you have to like, or, because them time I'm familiar with people who are into, you know, dominatrix and, you know, sadomasochism and various forms and so on. So, and even, you know, say, you have some woman like a man assertive and confident, and when you get intimate and thing, them like, you know, some woman like some little slight roughness there and thing and whatever, you know? And that's all right. But box down and take, I don't mind. I don't mind. I can't manage a one day, right? And at this, somebody kind of pick up, say, but people are get to us, so them juggle them thing, you know. You have a famous dancehall artist, me and her friend, and she tell me straight, you know, I know she still stays, but she said, no, Raga, I love it, you know. F and fight, you don't know what the F mean. Right? I know a woman at Bronx, well, she wasn't my friend. She was a friend of somebody who made a date. Every time she have fear, man, I go do it. They have to have a look of fighting first, like proper fight, you know. And I just feel them think that. You can't imagine you have to do that every time you're there with somebody. You must have rotted, man. But couldn't manage them something. But me just go to that meds them to say, me did prepare for Lego them time there, you know. I mean, we kind of get him back and thing, and she realized, say, yo, you know, so I don't feel him thing that and whatever. But that being said, you know, a gunman, she there win. She there with gunman before me and things, so I think, you know, I realized, you was just a foreigner with the money, man, and come in and, you know, and fear thing was, me make her laugh, you know, she said, me have fun, I am fun. So I guess in some ways, I was like the opposite of what she used to with whatever, you know, and thing. And I would have attacked you, somebody in Jamaica, a Sajay, you know? Oh, are you? Okay. Right, but I can't manage them something. I couldn't manage them something. So we segue from one thing to the other and this and that. But, you know, you have some people them trafficking at that type of violence in different levels and different degrees, you know. And some people find them thing they're sexy, and some people it's a permanent part of them. And I judge nobody, but as I tell you, say, me can't manage them something there. Worse, if the thing get real, if you start, you know, walla in them type of, you know, if you start kind of play with them type of thing that where violence normalized and thing, you have to be careful if it, you know, if it actually come to you in a real life, you know, from the same person or whatever, you know. Well, that is just my opinion. Feel free to disagree because I know say somehow I listen right, you know, and thing like that. And again, there's nothing wrong with people, I think, who love a look of roughness and thing and a look of gangster thing and whatever. Oh, I am all for that. You know, for who? No mind it. You understand? How do you Jamaica? Sajay? Okay. Seeing, but, you know, for the box down and take them type of something there, man. I can't manage it. All right. I see someone I send me for send on who have my number, send me for send me. You know, so John, I'm not really too send around them thing here, you know. I'm gonna be honest, I send it to Prezi, yeah. But yo, this thing I just come off a while ago. Eh? Put it on back. Eh. Yeah. Okay. Seeing, but when me I say back to the brother at the door. He might burn a man and he might beat up woman and all him something there and see it then now a 30 had shot him get and things. So the man them I say out there right now. And not, you know, so I make a appeal to now again. And then them violence against woman and all them something. They let go that man. That, you know. Check on yourself, right? Check on yourself, right? If your thing set up in such a way where you get, you know, your way for resolve certain issues and all them thing there is always violence, you know. I feel now we are still, you know, but that is a statement against on, you know, say, on a reasoning ability and thing. It just don't even dead, you know. The easy thing, violence are the easy way, you know. The harder part you know, for be able to reason out certain things and for know say all, if you are reason out and work out certain things, it could all take some time to. You understand? That's the harder part and thing. But, you know, I don't want to expand on the range of the personality, so not just one-dimensional in terms of violence and thing and whatever. And as soon as you have a disagreement with woman, or as soon as a woman do something you don't like and whatever, phone away for when it name the resolve it is to, you know, to be violent against a woman. Them and I just want to remind you, the woman, them not in no foolishness right now. The woman, them a fight back. You see what go on in Iran? You see what go on in Iran? Right? Right? Arab countries are one of the most repressive places for women. Right? And me not diss nobody, you know, some of the Muslim people come jump on my case and whatever, right? So them have one of them way for control the woman, them have the demand, so them for cover up and all them something there, and them not for sure them here and all these things, and one bag of sitting and one bag of something, all right? And the woman, them a get fed up right now and I say, yo, my ear and my ear, you know, right? One woman, them have one thing when them call morality police over in Iran. Some man will walk around and if a woman here under hijab, you know, there's something with them for wear over them head, you know. And if I lick a bit of ear or show a man, I move to and say, where you do? Come man up, station you go, man. Jail you go, you know, see you hear a show. And them something that them woman they live under and whatever, and been a live under that for thousands of years. Well, hundreds or whatever, how long time. So the woman them a lash out right now. And them send out a bag more, thousands more police, and the woman them say, oh, we no business, for death. And the woman them a stand up for them thing over there right now. So if them woman, me nah say it go somewhere, you know, because probably I go quash down and thing. But what I'm saying is, there's a movement on out there. When you see the Me Too movement, when you see how certain things are going, the woman them a put on them foot. And one of the couple on the violence and all them, something I try to know. More and more woman right now I say, you behave certain way, and then all this man, I might beat the woman and go and sleep around her. Right? And she just bring the man in and the man give him 30 and shot in him sleep. Yo! I don't ever go there, so because I don't want to go, you know. 876-676-4996. I the number that 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. I the number that. Call him both one and call him both and make we hear what I go on. 876-6 Sajay. Okay. Me never see you upon the video. A Sajay down in Jamaica. Look up for your number them, you know. Here, Sajay. All right. I want to come in tell me. 876-676-4996. 4996. If you call from the United States, the number 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Boy, the people them down in Florida feel it. Give me a call, Sajay. Hurricane Ian. Mash up the people them down there. Hello, greetings.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Everything cloudy.
It's a merciless talk. Yeah, man, everything balanced, man. Where go on?
A bull man.
Bull, where you say bull?
Yeah. You see that lady, Miss Monty.
Miss who?
Miss Monty, talented.
Oh, Miss Multi-Talented. What you say about multi-talented now? Yeah.
I love that lady, man. She have a skill, man.
Weird. You like multi-talented?
I love lady with skill. May I tell you, Raga?
Yeah.
Yeah, my wife was a skill lady.
Your wife was a skill lady?
Eh?
Oh, your wife tried on?
Oh, my wife get poison and die.
Poison?
Yeah.
Oh, well, condolences here.
But I like a lady who have a skill.
And
don't have to work for nobody. But when you're working for people, then push you around.
Right. So why you say what multi-talented do make you such a skill?
Because the things that I hear she talk about that she can do, I don't know if she really that.
Well, you hear the amount of something that multi-talented so she can do?
Yeah, man.
And you believe her?
I would like to prove her.
Multi-talented so she can lay black and flash wall, you know, and basically build a house if she wants, you know. She know if you do mason work, right? She said she can't do tiling. You think tiling is easy where multi-talented so she can't do tiling. And she
I
said,
have a wall.
Eh? You have a wall for multi-talented.
Right now, I would give her to flash.
You want you? What you say you want to have a flash your wall, no?
Yeah.
You're a multi-talented bull, same way you flash him wall, Phoebe. Yeah. But bull, you know, so you're full of one bag of time. I don't know if you could have managed multi-talented. You know, multi-talented says she have a Miss Kitty body.
Oh, man, the man is bigger than that, man.
What you say, what?
I used to have a lady from Florida.
Yeah.
Bigger than that.
Bigger than Miss Kitty body, no?
Yeah.
Okay, and what you do? You deal with her bilious, no?
Properly, man.
So when you all deal, oh, you know, say you deal with her wicked. What she do? She ball out under her treatment and make some sound and all them something.
How are you, man?
Like what kind of sound, so? If you can make. What kind of sound she make? How she sound?
And use a song like, Jesus, boy, boy, Lord of mercy.
Will she find Jesus? She find the Lord when you deal with her, don't?
Yes, man.
No, man, but she can't. But you, when she go on and think, how she sound? Let me hear the real sound when she make. Make it sound them.
Oh my God, you're gonna kill me.
No, and she say if you're gonna kill her, then
Yeah.
what? So, oh no, me never done. Say back in Jesus Christ part and thing or whatever. What she say? What she say to Jesus Christ?
He said, oh Jesus, oh my God, you're going to kill me.
That's how she go on.
Yeah, man.
So and that approves. Say you put on the work good, right?
Yeah, man. I don't feel me I put on it, man. Feel me I put on it, I'm down there.
You're down there.
Yeah, man. They chew up the concrete and chew down the bucket.
You chew up the concrete and chew down the bucket pan her, don't it? And all these things.
Man.
Yeah,
man.
See. Then she come from Florida and all them something there and whatever. So how you manage now? Because all of them women from Florida, you know, them not just boring up a thing with just one thing, you know. Them do everything. So you did do everything with her.
Raga, one thing we not done and we break up.
And what?
There's one thing we never do.
Yeah.
With her,
Yeah.
and she break up with me.
Oh. And what you never do?
Him said to me in the bedroom that.
She said
to me
Yeah.
in the bedroom that there's something I supposed to do. I am not doing it. And she don't have to explain. So
she said, what she said? She said there is something that what?
I supposed to do.
That right.
I am not doing it. And him like that stuff.
Oh.
So I never do it.
You never do it?
Yeah, so she get upset.
She get upset?
And we break up.
Oh, and broke up and things. So what she did attack? What she did I refer to?
She want to swipe it.
Oh, she want you to swipe and thing, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is it that you never want to swipe she? Because you're a swipe in general, because you not see nothing wrong with swiping, but you just never want to swipe she? Is that?
I never want to swipe she.
Oh, okay. Well, why you never want to swipe her?
Because I never do those things before.
Oh, you never, at that point, you never do it before?
Yeah.
Oh, so, okay, me see what you say. You never did start yet. So you at that point, at them time, you just never do it because you never did start yet and thing. Oh.
But if I did do it, I will be in the state at this moment.
Jesus.
And she promised me when to build me a house. Oh. And she would not do those things, you know. I just let her go.
Oh, she not going to build your house, though?
Yeah.
And she not going to carry up, come out the States, though?
Yeah, man.
And true, you never have the visa tongue. She never do nothing for you, though?
That's right.
Okay.
But if he come to the test again and I get in $1 million, I'm going to move to it.
Yes, you're going to move to it.
Yeah.
Proper. So hold on. All right, you know, say that I like nothing out there now, you know. Them thing there. Yeah, that coming like nothing, you know. That coming like, so what? The sun rises in the morning. Everybody do them something or whatever because, so right, you know, any of y'all book up and all a link like that and all, a woman say, boy, and you like her and already are doing a thing. And she said, no, my wife come a foreign and them thing there, whatever. You like her and she clean and all these things and whatever. And thing, you da do it now, though. I mean, you don't do it, you never do it back then because you never start and thing, but you da do it now, though, right?
It just.
Hello?
But.
What you said?
Like I did get some riches.
You get some riches?
And throw it away.
Oh, you get, so, but you're not throw away your riches again, though, if the opportunity.
No.
Not throw it
again. Not in this
again.
time in Jamaica.
Not in this time in Jamaica. Anytime a woman says she want you, send her on a visa tongue pan her, and she go fly you up and thing, you go deal with it now, don't?
That's right.
Okay, but hold on. I know you start and you do it already, but you to the best of your knowledge and thing, you think you do it good?
No, man, I'm not doing it now.
No, me say if like when you do it, you know, like when you did that, are you? Because I know everybody, it could be like anything. Some people good at it, some people not good at it, you know. So, you know, you think you're good at it?
If I find that person like nice and clean, to my suit, I will move to it, but not right now.
No, we passed that already, man. Remember you don't say that. Me just said, based on your knowledge of your skill when you do that, right? Do you think you're good at it?
I have to try my best.
No, you try your best, but me say at the times when you have done it and thing, you know, like when
I never done it.
You never ever do it yet?
No.
You never ever do it yet, not even one time?
Never do it.
So you never got near there like with your face yet?
I got to the navel, but not down there.
Oh, you never passed the navel yet?
No.
Okay. You ever kiss her thighs yet, like her leg? You ever kiss woman's leg? Got nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, man. Rub on my jaw and pan it, man, you know.
You rub your jaw, pan it? What you mean it? Pan the something?
No, pan the leg.
Oh, you rub your jaw. But bull, who rub them jaw pan? What you mean you rub your jaw pan the leg?
All right. You massage a lady.
Yeah.
In the bedroom.
Yeah.
You just pass your jaw over your leg and over her belly.
Yeah.
Her breast.
Over her belly, breast. Okay, yeah.
Go up her neck and go in the mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, when I say you know answer the question, you know, you just say you rub your jaw upon her leg, but I'm saying that mean, that just sound weird. Who rub them jaw? What you mean? Oh, your face, is that your face the between her leg them and thing and your jaw just touch her on the side of her leg them?
That's right.
Okay, so your face the bit, so your jaw touch her inner thighs?
That's right.
Okay, so that mean your face position where you can look right pan it, you just not go down pan it, right?
That's right.
Okay, so when your face position and you look pan it on the right, this and now, you know, you never tempted one day if you take all a look at troops, like a look at troops.
I never approach the person.
No, what I mean, like when you're just so close to your face, the between her leg, that your jaw, all a touch her thigh, and them something there, her leg, them and thing. When I say, like, and you look on it now, you never like take one look at troops yet and thing. That's why I look at troops. Like, do nothing, you know, go all out, but you just kind of, you never take like a look at troops yet and fight and thing. For tease her, because you are on the show, for tease her and all.
You just pass your nose and go up, man.
You just what?
I just pass my nose and go up.
What you mean you pass your nose? What you mean? You just rub your nose pan it and go up?
You just make a smell of you're gone.
You just take a little whiff and then just go up. So when you go up, your nose just touch it a little bit and go up because you're not tarry.
Right.
Because you're nasty.
Right.
So you just kind of brush it a little bit with your nose and go. Listen to me now, boy. My God! Yo! So when you say you just kind of brush it with your nose a little bit and tease her. And you say, yo, bully, you think you're easy. I'm mad you want mad the woman them, you know. I'm mad you must say want mad the woman them, bull. So, bull, if you rub your nose on that, you don't see a tease the woman and a mother, man. If you rub your nose on it and then go up, man. Lord Jesus, I'm mad you want mad the woman them, girl pick me out the bull. Eh?
Anyway, Raga.
Eh?
I love that lady for who she are. For who she is.
For who she is. This is which woman? Who that know? Multi-talented?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It sounds like you are multi-talented for Link, you know.
And I would give her a landscaping on her property.
You would just landscape like her property and thing, don't it?
Just like a secret hotel.
Sure. But bull, you're full of lyrics, man. Eh?
And if she want to call me, she can give me a call.
All right. No, if she call back and say she want the link, then you will hear, and then we arrange for the link here.
All right.
All right. Now say a word, bull. Big up yourself, here.
With her skill, man.
Yeah. What you say, what?
Big her up with her skill.
With her skill. Okay, all right. Yeah. Now say a word, man. Well, you a skill man too, bull, so big up yourself, you
all
are
right,
the sniff around here. Your nose big? Your nose big?
Huh?
Your nose big?
No, man. My nose long, man.
Your nose long?
Yeah.
Well, is that long nose here?
Yeah.
Then that not sound like the woman them like me. I want big broad nose, so you don't know.
You know your nose,
No, bull, me no want you to know my nose, Don't even to know my nose. You hear me? I say, don't even to know my nose. That me I tell you. But anyway, you say you have a long nose, then you don't have a right nose to do what you want the bull, man. The next time, if you use up your nose, because it sound like you like to use your nose, just use up your nose the next time, man. All right, sir?
And if I get a good job, man, that can give me $1 million. I will use it up.
You will use up your nose now. Jesus God. Bull, go see why use your nose like how people use pickaxe stick and oar.
Pom.
What the? What you say? Farm up that with your nose, yes, bull. I want some people. You need to play around here. What, big up yourself. Yeah, all right, bull. Yeah, man.
All right.
Bless up, man. Cool.
A good job, man. That can give me
lega. What? Oi! Sajay! All right, cool. All right, 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. That's the thing there. Boy, people Sajay, when you know that Sajay is a church man, So, when Sajay, him do the engineering down at Jamaica now, for my sure now. Poor Sajay, him have to sit down there and listen and sit there. Sajay, they're going to beat you when you go to church. I say, them something you know, they listen. You're going to hear Sajay, but it's my job. I don't busy what the presenters do. I just have to do the engineering. So do you listen? When that dirty man Ragashanti is talking those things, do you listen? I have to listen because I have to know when to take the breaks and run and whatever. And so they go see how defend yourself. No. Give me a next caller. Hello, greetings.
Yeah,
Yeah, you have to go talk louder, you know.
Yeah. Can't chat to Raga like that.
Yeah, man, a Ragashanti attack, you know. What you say?
Yeah, man, I like that.
Yeah, man, a Raga talk to you, but you have to go talk louder, you know, because we can't hear you good.
Raga.
Yeah, talking on phone directly, I make you hear, yeah.
Alright. Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you. What you say?
Alright. Yeah, I hear me now.
Boss, me been a hear you, you know, just talk a little louder. Yeah, man, we are hear you. Man.
That man we have been known. Boy, I tell you, that man is a dangerous man.
What you mean him is a dangerous man? What you mean by that? Eh?
That man, boy.
Man, I be a laugh, you laugh and not tell me what you. What? What you say? Sajay, he like him phone hang up, you know, because he general never did that say nothing, man. 876-676-4996. 876 876-676-4996. 876-676-499. Hey, call him boy, anything you want to call him about, you know. Ragashanti live with the pan in. Hello, greetings. Night.
Hello.
Yeah.
Tell him I'm come for you, man. Hey, it's Raga.
Hold on. Don't make we hear the radio in the listener. Don't make we hear the radio in the background. You turn it off or move her from it, yeah?
All right, move it, man.
Yeah, all right. Cool. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, just move her from it. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Move it from it, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, where I go on?
Yeah. Am I time now?
No, you know, so we still hear the radio in our background, general. Yeah, mash up my show, man. Yeah, man, we still hear it. Just move her from it, no, man.
Yeah, I'm moving.
Yeah, so what you saying?
Yeah. Am I time now?
It's been your time. You just that you make a radio playing at your time.
All right. Come on now.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, me that now.
Big man, just work with the thing, now, man. You're cool. All right, go on, Tan.
Yeah. Raga.
Yeah.
Ragashanti.
Yeah.
What's up?
Me I do my show, yeah. Me there, I do the show.
Yes, man. I live.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. You hear me?
Jesus, you call, I go in and out, you know. Yeah, talk again. No, me say you call, I go in and out. No, go on. Yeah, talk now. What you say now?
I reckon this.
God. Then I'm sure you calling me, you been attacked to all this time.
All right, no, rather. That one, he not understand himself. He not understand himself. Why, you don't have to draw people, you know?
Me? We you talk about draw me and the man a reason. Stop going like you want to come to mash up my business, man.
You stop draw the man, you stop drive out. You drive out and open.
So that you call for come tell me now. So when me I talk to other people now, them are afraid for talk to me because you come send them something, yeah.
All right. No, that's all right. Me say, yes, but I just run to Jamaica. Run on to Jamaica.
Well, no, man. Well, no, your car I go in and out, so go back closer to your house now.
Right, so we got closer to my house?
Yeah, yeah. So what you say a while ago now? So what now?
Me say, I used to run to Jamaica.
Me for run Jamaica. Bro God run Jamaica.
No, man, don't go back to boy, man.
No, don't say that. Andrew is my friend. We have disagreements, but Andrew is my friend. Leave him alone.
I just from my friend.
Eh?
I always call it Illuminati that. You are the best, man. You are the best.
Nah, but I am an entertainer. That is what I do. So what you have to say differently do from praising me? Eh?
Yes, sir.
You know, yeah, man, me hear what you say, you big me up, but what you have to say differently, you know?
Yeah, differently. But also, I don't that my calling pan, I tell you, but listen to me now. You go too far now with you're taking too much show with yourself, right, you know?
I'm going to hang up on you, know. Listen to me. I'm going to tell you one time, I'm going to tell you again. Never you call and tell me how to run my show, yeah? Hold on, man. No. Me know what me I do. Me know what me I do, right? Me know what me I do. So don't you call and run my show because you not call and say, no, you just big me up and then you come and tell me about what me know what me I do. All right? Don't do it again. Next call. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, greetings.
Good night, Master Raga.
Who this? Only God can tell you.
Yeah, wife. Good night, wife.
Yeah, man, me there, man. What you say?
Yo, I hear me, man.
Cool, everything proper with the eye?
Yeah.
Saying, what you up to?
Well, me there, you know, I listen to the show, you know, see it.
Saying.
Yeah, so my people in call the station.
Eh?
So the people in call the station, make it a good thing, they come out, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, so Father God will deal with it, you know.
Saying.
Yeah, Father God will deal with it, that's it.
Yes,
One over one heart, that's it.
Saying. You used to go Sunday school, only God can tell you.
Yeah, when I live at Burnt Savannah.
When did you live at Burnt River?
Burnt Savannah.
Burnt Savannah, okay. Yeah. So you remember in the Sunday school song and them something? Remember that one, yeah? Or you used to go, Jesus bids us shine with a pure cure, something like so. You know that one, light a little candle burning in the night, in this world of darkness, so we must shine. You in your small corner and I in my... You didn't know that one day?
Yeah.
All right, well, we have sound clash right here now. Sunday school song, sound clash. Me just sing one, you sing one now.
No, when they sing me no. I want to just sing me no.
No, you can't tell me that. You go around me, only God can tell you, man. You know, say you used to go Sunday school, the union, only God can tell you.
Yeah, man, I used to go Sunday school, man. But me tell you one me know.
All right. Well on.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to sing one more. I'm going to sing the first line and you sing the rest, right?
No, man.
No, don't play with me, man. Don't play with me, man. Listen to me, no, man. I reckon you work with it, no, man. All right. Yeah, when me I say, no, man, I'm going to sing the first line. I want next one, and you sing the rest. All right? All right. Hear the first line, I know. I feel good. Sing the rest, no? Holy God. Yo, my general, you laugh out the thing, my lad. Hey, you know, see a Sunday school song clash, and you don't even... man, you sound a flop. You sound a flop right here now. Me can't believe you come from West. Ricky Trooper, nah go proud of you.
Yo, DJ Franco, DJ Nicholas, are my artist.
But yeah, when I say no, DJ Nicholas Naga proud of you because you flop out the Sunday school song. Sing a song. You cannot come on for the radio until you sing a Sunday school song. Right, they hang up the cloth. Yo, well, I break. We're so forward.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Brap. People don't know my little affinity with the Sunday school song, them, you know, whatever. You understand? You don't know my, me in a mood for a Sunday school song clash, you know. So if anybody want to bring it, you know, bring it, you know. I do not go dead anywhere. Anybody come with a clash, I do not go dead because when we say sound clash with Sunday school song and not the normal, okay? We make people lay down around here and think what we deal with the thing wicked. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Sajay, I don't care where you are, so we can't hear one Sunday school song. Eh? Sajay, you're a church man. Sing a Sunday school song, no, man. I even one man and bless the place with a Sunday school song, Sajay. Even one. All right. Sajay, I'm going to give you one. Even one. Oh, man. Here, tune you now. Let me see where I'm going to go forward with. Sajay, I'm going to set up the microphone. Yeah. No, Sajay, the people them hear you talk. By the way, them love your reasoning one night, you know. Don't say another word. Make we hear a Sunday school song, Sajay. Even one. Send on one. Well, you're not talking on a microphone, you know. You're far from it. No, go closer to it. I don't know why. You sound like you're that far from the mic.
Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, we are hear you now. Yeah.
The first one that comes on off top of my head is Jesus' love is a bubbling over. Jesus' love is bubbling over. Jesus' love is bubbling over. Hallelujah.
What the second verse you go again?
I don't remember the second verse.
Remember something like that. No, not that one where it's like you leave out the first word, so you go, love is a bubbling over. Love is a and then you go down, and they said,
it's been a while, Rock.
Yeah. No, remember that one there. But that one there is like you sing it back, but the next time you sing it, you take off the Jesus, and the next time you take off the Jesus love, and then you take off Jesus love is a you take off Jesus, you go over. You remember we used to do them something?
It's been a while.
Well, but you know the boom one door, we can't dead. And the wicked, you know, it coming like a anthem. You know, like go dance anthem. But you have some anthem class song, you know. Right, you know, like Bounty Killer have some Bounty Killer and Buju Banton have some Stone Love anthem class song. Anyway, you got them, you know, it's like, you know, Bounty Killer upon the borderline. You know, like then you have some tune where you hear them. But the one we take it for Sunday school, me I tell you, bad tune. Round the wall of Jericho.
Round the wall of Jericho.
No. I don't want that, but you can't sing Round the wall of Jericho. No, Sajay, you can't sing that song. Remember the army I walk around the wall and thing and I tear down the wall. You can't sing that round the wall of Jericho. No, and I like you walk and I speak sunflower and them something. I don't know one of them something there. Right? You have to sing that song there with authority and like, you know, the army and thing, right? All right, so I could hear it now. And the last one, may I ask you to sing, man. Just like, you know. But you have to sing. No, man, no.
You sing it, I'll back you up.
No, I don't want you back me up, you know. No, I don't just put close on that, you know. I don't want you back me up. Don't back me up, man. We don't want that something there, you know. Don't back me up. Okay. Anyway, no, what me I say? No, man, you just you have to sing it with authority, man. All right?
But, you know, I don't remember the lyrics to that.
No, man. All right, yeah. Make it 2 hours sing it then, all right?
Hold on, I'm Google the lyrics.
Seriously?
Yeah, Google lyrics.
Yo, why wanna beat me nowadays, you know, but everything on Google. It why wouldn't play, you know. Anyway, all right then. All right, tell me when you have the lyrics. You see the lyrics? Yo, Sajay.
Yo.
One of them, once you start, the lyrics are going to come, man. But anyhow, me I sing, you know, I don't want you go ease out to your ear, me I sing, you know. Because when me I sing it, me sing it with attitude.
I have the lyrics.
All right then. Cool. All right. Sajay.
Yo.
No, so I don't want no dolly house thing. Great performers, them sing with emotion and feelings and then put them all in it and then put the character in it. So listen what me I say right now, you know. Remember, you know, we are march around for tear down the wall, for go kill evil people for Jesus and God or whatever the Bible is saying. That a go on, you know, right? We are fight Satan, demon them. We are fight Lucifer. Hey, listen to me, man. So a serious thing right here, you know, so when I want a baby thing with the thing. You understand what I say?
I understand.
All right then. All right, ready. Attitude is everything. You ready?
Yes,
yeah.
I'm ready.
No, Sajay, you can't ready. I'm not dead with laugh. Sajay, oh, if you go war and you laugh. Sajay, the dead, we are going dead, man. Oh, the time we are going to battle, yeah, kick, and I laugh out the thing, Sajay. Oh, you ever do that? Yeah, sure.
A little humor is good for the soul, you know.
No, a little humor is good for the soul, but a little humor is good for the soul, but a little humor make man them put two spear in and we make hole. But listen, here where we are going right now. We are going to sing the thing with attitude and, you know, we are going to tear down the wall. You ready, you know?
Ready.
Yeah. After 3, you count.
1, 3.
Round the wall of Jericho, round the wall of Jericho, round the wall of Jericho, the army went 7 times without. No, Sajay, you're not keeping. Sajay, you joke out the thing. Sajay,
I am keeping up.
No, Sajay, me feel like me there at the front. I run and I backle the demon, them I hear the way back and I say, Raga, you alright? It sound like in the way back and I say, hold them, Raga, hold them, and I'm here alone up there.
Well, Raga, still, you're like, you're the one that are like 10,000 man, you know, I walk, you know.
What you mean? No, because I show you me take it thing serious, my general. Because a while ago, me upon round the walls of Jericho. I mean, you back at me. No, Sajay, come on. Sajay, the two are winning at this, right? Them can't do you nothing, because them do you nothing a straight war. Me defend you, right? So me have to know, say you have me.
So please remember say that you're there at New York, eh?
Yeah,
me there yard.
You there? No, they don't know. Sajay, I want me to you. They don't know. So we link proper. One phone call and thing. I want me to you, my general. All right. No, Nakita, me like that. Somebody just post on Facebook and say me a front soldier. Me like that. Me a soldier for the front. Me like that. Nakita, me like that. Me work with that.
You sure remember the lyrics?
Oh.
You
must have out hard. You know, you may tell us a big tune. No, but Sajay, if you don't know the lyrics, man, you don't do what we do at Jamaica, man, when we don't know the song, them, man.
Want to sing Watermelon?
Nah, man, you just move your mouth like you know what you say. That Jamaican them do all the while, you know. Hold on, sidebar. You never see them in a party yet. When them say, this is my song, this is my song. I love that song, I say. I love that song, I say. And then when you check it out, only the chorus them know, you know. But when the verse I sing, them a move them out like them know the song and them don't know the song, you know. But as soon as the verse, the chorus come in, nobody no louder than them.
That's a regular Jamaican.
Then that me I tell you, man, you hear them say, this is my song. I love that song, yeah. I only also my time again. When I'm a took the long way. They said nothing. I never make it. Look up this arena. Oh my God, my song. And they hear them coming in the chorus. Still the one I run to. The only, but them never sing the verse. And that then do all the while. But so any you know something, man. You don't know national anthem. We just make sound, man. I want me to you. Sajay, hold on, listen to Mas Raga. Let me tell you something. You see confidence. You hear what Marcus Garvey say. Confidence. You know, if you don't have confidence, you're twice defeated. Sajay, I know you're a church man. But you know, say you have some man, them just so confident when them look woman and the confidence no wave and gonna. All some woman reach a point where them all run it pan the man just because them like me just have to give him and done because Lord Jesus, you know, him wouldn't just a confidence in them. That's why woman love a confident man, you know. You understand? So you see, confidence is so important that you cannot say foolishness, And it sound good, You don't believe me?
I do believe you. I do.
All right. Listen to me now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me I go DJ a song. Just one verse out of one song, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me I go make up the lyrics, right? But I be a foolishness, me I go chat.
Okay.
Right? No, me I go prove something to you. Right? I be a foolishness, me I go chat. Nothing when me I go say I go make any sense.
Okay.
Right? But I'm going to do it with so much confidence. I guarantee you it going to sound good. How much you want to bet?
How much you want to bet? $1,000.
A Jamaican currency that?
All right, to make it better, if I lose, I give Jamaican. If you
if me lose, me have to give $1,000 US, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, if me lose, you have to give me $1,000 Jamaican, right? But
Yeah.
if you win, me have to give you $1,000 US, though. You pay about fart. All right. No, but me say, listen, All right. Me going to do something and I be a foolishness me I going to do. But me going to do it with confidence, all right? Me show your confidence important. Can you sing it? Can you buy a cartoon? Papa, my sister, chica, bring a cartoon. Go! See, you feel appreciate my cartoon. Something like to kick out to Paracasi Kitty Pat. I can't get the be a cantaden. Oh, that shot, Sajay, talk to me. Talk to me.
Yeah,
Talk to me. Don't me sound like big artist a while ago.
Yeah, man, you have been vibes, man.
Yeah, man, and I be a foolish here chat, but confidence. May I show you the importance of confidence. Anyway, I get it from the round of one. You can't distract me and all these things, all right? All right. Round the wall of Jericho, right?
Round the wall.
Listen to me. Y'all sing Round the Wall of Jericho, but you're going to sing it like when JLP win one year. All right? All right. Yeah, all right. All right, here we go. Me serious in a Sergeant. Me know you hold back. You play the shy thing, the man. All right?
No, hold back.
All right, come. After 3.
1.
Well on. Before we start, we could warm up. Say, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Make we hear it. Yeah, warm up, yeah.
All right, I'm ready.
Yeah. No, you have to do the scale.
What, do, re, mi, fa, sol?
Yeah. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Make we hear that. Yeah.
I'm stretch out a bit.
Yeah, all right. No problem. We'll warm up, yeah. Yeah, go on.
Wait, to say the skill again?
Don't play with me, you know the scale. All right, yeah, make we hear the scale.
I never went to music class. So
talking, make we hear the scale. Yeah.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Jesus God. Oh, God, I'm trying.
I'm ready now. All right. So start it off.
Yeah.
I'm ready. All right. I have the lyrics in front of me.
All right.
Yeah.
Say, that's it. That's her. All right. Round the wall of Jericho now. 1, 2, 3. Round the walls of Jericho, round the walls of Jericho, round the walls of Jericho, the army went. 7 times without a stop, 7 times without suggesting faster time without a stop, the army went. Then the people made a shout, when the people made a shout, then the people made a shout. Sajay, where you there?
Burger?
What?
You say made a shout. My lyrics say.
What you say this?
My lyrics say give a shout.
Let me tell you, enough of them probably that I right. Sajay, you know something, I try with you. Some of days I have to call in and thing because you nah give me the vibe, man. You joke out the thing, man.
I don't joke about it. You know, we have 2 conflicting lyrics right here. Like.
Alright. Because you Google, baby. I read off of Google, though. Wait, so then the people gave a shout?
When the people gave a shout, yeah, not made. Give.
Oh, when the people get, I think that right, because the shout make the wall fell down, and then them walk in triumphantly into Jericho, and that's right there. So when the people, all right, because when the people gave a shout, the walls fell down.
Yeah.
That makes sense, right? That makes sense. So it's round the walls of Jericho, round the walls of Jericho, round the walls of Jericho, the army went.
7 times without a stop, 7 times without a stop, 7 times without a stop, the army went. When the people gave a shout.
When the people gave a shout. When the people gave a shout.
The wall fell down.
So
into Jericho
at last. Into Jericho at last. Into Jericho at last.
The army went.
All right, good. All right. So we have the lyrics down now, all right?
All right. No, but I think you're going, I'm going fast and you're going slow.
No. Me, I go fast and you, I go slow. The people I'm post it and the people I'm posting and say, no, Sajay, slow. You brighty. Look how me over there. No, hey, you look how me I run up down there and I wire them for whatever I be and I chat about. Are you bright now? Come and tell me about me slow when I use slow. What a wicked man, man. Hey, people, to see how the world still do. You see me there put in the work and me I run down and whatever. And the general I tell me, say, Raga, you're kind of slow still, I don't want me to be idea talk, but Raga, you're kind of slow still. You want to go look faster. Me I watch you. Go on. Me I watch you. Eh?
That's why you're the alpha male and I'm the stigma male, right? So,
well, I am very much alpha, but you know, I'm train myself out of that for real. Oh. I was proper alpha, but I was restrained. Because when I did the alpha, I get in a bit of trouble and get in a jail. Go jail and get in a trouble all the while and all them fat the back in the day.
That means you're transcending to a stigma male then?
I'm not stigma. I just Raga. I just Raga. We're not no mole for Raga, you understand? Raga thing just said different, you understand? All right, here we go now. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Round the walls of Jericho, round the walls of Jericho, round the walls of Jericho. Stop.
You see?
No.
You say you move slow?
No. We know I walk cause it. You say around. Don't say around. Even though you say around, we are singing it like Jamaican. We're not saying around when we are singing.
Round.
Just round, right.
Oh, so
around is the right thing, but we are going to say round.
Okay.
Because what happens when you are chewing the A, and that I chew it up or whatever. I picked up this one, okay? All right, okay. We're going to get this tonight. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Round the walls of Jericho, round the walls of Jericho, round the wall
of Jericho, the army.
You know what we are going to do? No, I have the solution.
You got the solution?
Yeah.
What's the solution?
You sing it, and then me sing it. That's it. That will solve all our problems. Okay. All right, so you go first. 1, 2, 3, go!
Round the wall of Jericho, round the wall of Jericho, round the wall of Jericho, the army went. When you know.
No, you have to sing my 7 times. 7 times. No, 7 times.
7 times without a stop. 7 times without a stop. 7 times without a stop. The army went. When the people gave a shout. When the people gave a shout. When the people gave a shout. The wall fell down. Into Jericho at last, into Jericho at last, into Jericho at last, the army went. Okay. See, you can fix that?
Well, my ear you're still in a but I'll be honest, I don't know if you're really reaching a Jericho, you know. But boy, I don't know if you really can. You sing a while ago, you get about 9 shots, you know, but you finish still. So we have to give you ratings so that, you know, you pick up some can still, do you know. Yeah, me not lie, the way you sing that, you know, some shot reach, you know, because you never get where you pick up some can. You get a couple shots in your foot, man, and one in your shoulder and thing, but you have wallet, you know. And you think you probably not really going to Jericho, but, you know, you're there up a wall still, you know, you're there right at the edge, you know. You look for you. All right. My time now.
All right.
Artists. Round the walls of Jericho, round the walls of Jericho, round the walls of Jericho, the army went 7 times. Stop beating something on my yard. Show me after you already slow already and you beat the thing down there and you beat it slow down. Where you come mash up my thing for? You know, see, me I ride the rhythm and you are playing one different
You're
rhythm.
You're riding the rhythm? Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. I want to the man, yeah, man. Sure. All right. Round the walls of Jericho, round the walls of Jericho, round the walls of Jericho, the army went 7 times without a stop, 7 times without a stop, 7 times without a stop, the army went. When the people made a shout, when the people made a shout, when the people made a shout, the walls fell down and into Jericho at last, into Jericho at last, into Jericho at last, the army went. Hold on with flat out right there, so the boss.
I commend you for riding the rhythm, and you were very convincing of riding the rhythm, sir.
What? You know, it sound like you threw a word for me a little bit there and thing and whatever.
No, I'm not sure what is. It's what came up on the screen a while ago.
What?
That you're riding the rhythm, sir.
Ooh. What screen you talking about?
The Facebook post, sir.
Oh, okay, all right. No, but I go on like say you beat me, you know, with that thing, you know, because me know what me do, I know what you do, you know.
No.
Okay.
You were a rooster and I was a chicken, so I will admit that. So yeah.
Oh my God. But Sajay, big up yourself. Hey Sajay, big respect to you, you know, because let me tell you, Sajay, yeah, how long me had to read? A decade, no?
Mm-hmm.
And up till today, people, you have a lot of people in Jamaica, them they just don't get me, you know, but that's all right. I don't even care. But but them just not get me, you know, them hung up on certain things and whatever, and them, you know, big man, no, you're not supposed to do. And I am just this goofball, as you know, right? I am just like, you know, I'm all about fun and laughter, and I know what my gift is and thing, I know what it means to people, I know who get it. But no for the studio people, them at Jamaica, them not get it. No for church people, them, you know, them have all kind of little issues.
But Raga, you figure say Pacha Gray my auntie, right?
Who?
Yeah, figure say Pacha Gray my auntie, right?
Pacha Gray your auntie?
Mm-hmm. So imagine growing
Well,
up.
Pacha Gray are your auntie?
Yes.
For those of you who don't know, Pacha Gray is somebody who listened to me for years and years and years, religiously, like no miss my show, well-known person in a TamFam, come all of the Mixup and Blenda them show them back in the day and I miss the show and that. Pacha Gray, your auntie for you?
Yeah, man, I'm an auntie.
So you, so a long time you know about Reggae them from your little Jimmy, from your little Jim school, Jimmy, don't it?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And when you have an auntie like mine,
yeah,
there's no dull moment. So
yeah, because Pacha Gray full of vibes, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Our family, yeah, is very.
Pacha Gray, your jiggy auntie, don't? You know that auntie where nobody can control. She had an auntie. No, be careful, because I know I get in trouble, auntie.
No, my auntie is a fun auntie. And the thing about it is, growing up, one of the best time for me was to grow in her house and just to sit there. Because she can laugh, you know.
I mean, I tell.
Oh God, man, she can laugh, man. I remember one time somebody said something funny and she went to her bed and can you believe Raga? No man, wake up with that sleep and laugh. No.
Nah, man, but no, Pacha Gray can, you know, she appreciate, you know, all opportunities for a good laugh, you know.
Yeah, man, I love my auntie, and because of that, my childhood wasn't that dull, you know. And having an auntie like my one, yeah, shame tree, not to do that again, you know, but. Yeah, you learn to survive, you know, in the streets because she's the first person I tell her, so you have to look out for certain things. So I appreciate that.
My kids, some mornings I take them to school, some mornings their mother take them to school. So the kids that are in New York, because Zion is in Florida. So Jide and KJ, they're here. So the school where them go, some Jamaican kids go there, you know. So some of the people know me. So Wait, Sajay?
Yeah, man, there.
So all the while people like, yo, Raga, son, my kids used to it, them, like if they say, I said, what your father name? And I say, Kingsley Stewart. But a lot of people call him Ragashanti. Them Americans, so you know what I mean. So one time, I take them out of the car and thing like that. And so a woman see me and thing, and she's like, we Raga? So, by my turn when I answer, you're KJ. Yes, it's Ragashanti, and he's my dad, and he's crazy. My dad's crazy. You're today. Yeah, yep, our dad is crazy. We have a crazy dad, We have a crazy, he's so crazy. So the woman just start laugh. And she said, listen to me, if me never did listen to you all these years, I know what I go out and that thing. I would have wondered like a wedding pity them I talk about. But you, me know you. Me know exactly what them I talk about. And she's like, yo, your kids, they're going to be crazy too, right? But of course, she mean it in a good way and whatever. My kids get it. Mm-hmm. Them get it. Them understand. They say them father crazy in a fun way and thing. And it's all about fun and joke and thing like that. And at the end of the day, that's what matters to me. If my kids get it, that's all. If somebody else get it, I don't give a damn. I'm saying all this to say, the people who get it, I always appreciate them. You get it, and you don't feel any threat, to what your principles are and whatever and thing like that. And, say you have some church people, and I'm really, I say, we are joke with that man, if I hear the dirty things them when him talk about, whatever, and all them something there and thing or whatever, you get it.
There's one thing I learned in life. Yeah. No matter who it is, there's always some lesson to learn. It doesn't matter. So for me, I appreciate everybody for who they are. It doesn't matter if they want to be serious or they want to be silly, but you just have to appreciate everybody for who they are because we don't make the same.
My acting teacher at the Jamaica National School of Drama, who I think is a genius, his name was Eugene Williams. Eugene, I'm still about. Him still people know Eugene. And Eugene once said to me, you can learn from everything and everybody, even idiots. Mm-hmm. Even idiots. And and I totally believe in that if you go par with them, because if you par with idiot after a while you can become an idiot too. Right? Yeah. But at least there is something there to learn. And theme thing was, at a minimum, you will learn what not to do. Sajay, big up yourself, my brother. All right? Yeah, blessings, people. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight. Do remember, say Friday, 1 o'clock over YouTube on Ragashanti TV. It's all about, the craziest and the realest Jamaican talk show. Free up with me, Ragashanti, the king of Mixup and thing again, Friday, 1 o'clock. That's 1 o'clock U.S. Eastern time, which is 12 o'clock Jamaica time. So all Jamaicans, listen to me right now. It's 12 o'clock phone time until the time change in November. But it's 12 o'clock phone time this Friday over YouTube on Ragashanti TV. Additionally, when you go over there, subscribe, that is free. All right? Subscribe, that is free. And click the bell for notifications whenever anything is going on over there. You can be informed as such. We also finally activated the members feature. That is something different where you can pay for that in terms of subscription for that. And that has 3 levels, right? And that kick off proper. We're going with a bag of things over there and things. So you can remember, subscribe to the channel, that's free. Click the bell, that's free. That's for notifications. But if you want to subscribe to the members only content with yours truly, me, Ragashanti, and thing, you'll see a little thing there that says join. Click join. So if you listen now or you listen to repeat on Ragashanti TV over YouTube, click the join button that is right there on Ragashanti TV and join one of the members only. 1 of 3, you will see them there. Members only option. Take care of yourself, people. See you at Free Up this Friday, 12 o'clock Jamaica time and thing. Y'all be safe right now. And to all man out there, no care what woman say what them do and whatever, do not use violence to resolve your disagreements or your betrayal or something where you're upset about, all right? If you can't do that, if you can't find an alternate way to do it, if you can't find an alternate way to do it, walk it out and leave it alone. There's nothing wrong with that. No shame in your game right there. It don't make sense you run from police for a choice where you make to make yourself feel better because you think a woman diss you, or you end up a prison where you don't have no woman and a man a look upon you for make you feel woman. You know what? That's what I'm there for reach. All right? That's up on yourself, people. Road.